One of the best parts of working with AZCOPS is the stellar legal coverage we provide to our members is run by men and women who wear the badge. That said, as a panel attorney, the AZCOPS legal plan generally doesn't cover friends who are not AZCOPS members. Now, some of the principles I discuss on this channel cover investigations generally, so this week's video will be excerpts from past content that you can share with friends and family who are not covered by AZCOPS, but are facing investigations.
A hostile work environment exists when a supervisor or coworker's actions, communications, or behaviors seriously alter the conditions, terms, or reasonable expectations of your work environment. Additionally, these actions must be discriminatory in nature as defined by law. Specifically, the law only prevents discrimination or treating people differently because the person targeted is a member of a protected class. Protected classes include age, religion, disability, and race. Some local governments have added other protected classes like sexual orientation or gender identity. Additionally, employers can't retaliate against employees for reporting unlawful discrimination. Generally speaking, in order for a hostile work environment to exist, the actions must be significant and pervasive, lasting over a period of time. The actions must be severe and must significantly disrupt the employee's work or career progress. When in doubt, ask for help.
This week's video will give you 3 reasons to have effective peer representation when you're facing an interview. ARS Section 38-1104A1 provides that a law enforcement officer under investigation for conduct that the officer reasonably believes could result in dismissal, demotion, suspension, or termination may request to have a representative of the officer present at no cost to the employer during the interview. ARS Section 38-1105A gives the same right to representation to witness officers. So here's 3 tips for effective representation. 1, have a conversation with the person who's going to be interviewed and help figure out how to frame that person's statement. A good representative will talk with the person to be interviewed to hear the basics of the statement first. The representative will make sure that the statement makes sense and can offer feedback as to how to be as clear as possible and what details to emphasize. This preparation, the framing of the upcoming statement, when done right, can prevent tons of headaches that can occur if a witness or a subject gives a confusing or incomplete statement when unprepared for the interview. Number 2, during the interview, the representative can read the room and lower the temperature. A good representative isn't allowed to object or interject, but they are allowed to ask for breaks. Having an outside person there, making sure that emotions aren't getting in the way of a good, clean interview can literally save an officer from making statements out of emotion or frustration, and I've seen many circumstances where a timely request for a break may have saved an officer's job. Number 3, cleanup. A good representative is listening to the questions asked and the answers given and is thinking about whether anything important is missing. Again, that representative can't interject, but the representative can and should take a break before the interview is closed out at the end and can suggest additional things to be added when the recording is turned back on. I've watched good representatives do this on a number of occasions, and this avoids unnecessary stress of having to come back and do additional interviews if something was left out. Investigations are then closed out more efficiently, and it lowers stress for investigators, witnesses, and those under investigation. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to help my channel grow. Please share this video with others that you know may find it helpful, and be on the lookout for future videos. They come out every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. Arizona time. I'm Steve Cerbalic. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.